You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we are going to talk about this hair and this hair journey. Now, I am sharing with you all how I am growing my hair so fast and what I am doing with my hair step by step, from washing it to cutting it to treating it, and the products that I am using, okay? Now, today I am showing you how I have transitioned to this length. Now, I usually cut my hair very often, maybe once a week or twice a week. I only have a little bit of color left on top, and that is what I am transitioning from. You see how little I am taking off my hair? Yeah, you don't have to take a lot off your hair when you're making a transition from a perm, from a texturizer, from a color. You don't have to take a lot off. Do it at your pace. And you see how much my hair has grown out. Now, when I read you all's comments, I read how you have put a texturizer in your hair or you did a process to your hair and you asked me, what should you do? I really can't give you information on that because I don't know the history of your hair. But if it was my hair, I would just simply make the transition like you see me doing with my hair here, slowly clipping my ends off and wearing different styles. Now, I want you all to see this. I am about to set my hair with some extreme gel. I do like this gel, but I am going to show you what I am going to do different with this gel later on in the video. I have a lot of things that I want to show you all about how to care for your hair, some of the products that I have been using, and the different ways that I have been using these products. Okay, so we at this point with our hair. Now look at this. This is rosemary water. But this is just not any type of rosemary water. This is rosemary water by As I Am. And I really, really do like this product. This is a product that I will continue to buy. I love putting that on my hair, guys. I really do. I use it every day and look at the ingredients in it. All right. I showed you that for a reason. Okay. After I spray my hair and I rub it all in. Okay. This is me hydrating my hair before I set it. Okay. So after I do that, you all, I will take a black castor oil with rosemary in it and I will put it on my hair. These are the two combinations that aren't going anywhere. I promise you that. I have seen a dramatic difference in my hair growth and everything, y'all. Now, you see me pointing to the ingredients that's in that bottle, right? There's a reason for that. There is a reason why I pointed to those ingredients, and I will show you in a minute why. Now, I am putting this gel on my hair, but I noticed something with this gel. Okay, now look at this. These are my vitamins. I take my vitamins every day, and that is my little vitamin organizer. But look at this. This is one of the vitamins that I take, biotin. Okay, now I am about to show you what this vitamin look like. You can get it in any, form or whatever, like I'm showing you now, but mine look like that. But it's just biotin. And biotin is good to grow your hair, amongst other things, but it's really good to grow your hair. And I take it in a different form. I take it in a few different forms to tell you the truth. But let me show you this. I was in the store the other day and I seen that. That is 99.9% biotin. And you are supposed to put it on your scalp and then rub it to the ends of your hair. Now, I'm going to be honest with you all. I have the biotin pill form, I have the biotin hair grease, and in the rosemary spray that I showed you earlier has biotin in it. Okay? Now, come on, y'all. Come on. I am staying consistent and I am loving it. Okay? So, we are going to finish setting our hair. But when I set my hair, I want you all to notice when you all are doing your hair, I want you to pay attention to how your scalp feels after you set your hair with different products, because your scalp will tell you if you need to stop using that product or if it's okay to continue to use that product. Now here I am smoothing my hair down and I am noticing the texture of my hair, how well my hair is behaving when I use different products on my hair, and how my scalp feel when I apply different products, and how everything is changing. You got to pay attention to that. Now look at this. My hair is laying down, it's not flying away or anything. And that is because I am cutting more of that color off of my hair, guys. I am cutting more of that color off, and I'm looking at how well my hair is looking when I smooth it down. Now, guys, if this video is helping you in any way, then don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below any concerns you may have about your hair or anything that I did not address in this video that you want to know. So let's get back to the hair journey. Now, as you see, you all, I am just getting that part straight and everything, but I am about to show you something that I noticed about the gel. In certain parts of my hair, the gel irritates my scalp. It's a good gel, but let me show you what I do. Now, this is my rosemary oil, and instead of using the gel there, I will just massage oil in that area, and I will let my hair be smoothed down by the oil, period. And I will show you how that looks in a second. Now look at that. Look at that. Doing my hair this way, it does not irritate my scalp in that area. And my hair is still being laid down. And you have to pay attention not only to the different products you use and how it makes your hair feels, but if something is irritating your scalp, do not continue to use it or figure out why. In the area where I put that oil, I have always told you all that that was my roughest area of my hair. My hair used to be a 4C in that area, but now my hair is 4A, 4B because of the routine that I have been showing you all of how I care for my hair and the things I use on my hair and how I wash it. So now I have my hair set for any style that I want to wear throughout the week, and I have shown you that as well. Putting that oil on my scalp really did make a difference. My hair do not itch anymore in that area. So now what I'm about to do is wrap my hair up, and that will be it, you all. Well, guys, like I said before, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. I am showing you all better than I can tell you my hair journey so you can see for yourself the products that I believe is working for my hair and is making my hair grow at a very nice rate. So any concerns you have about your hair, just leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all already know that I am going to answer you back. And also do your girl a favor, go over to my other channel, Regina's Way. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share over there as well, you all. And that is pretty much it. We are done and set for tomorrow. Mwah.